Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11. This issue can be really annoying because you cannot download or update apps. So let's fix it step by step. First, open the search bar and type Task Manager. Open it. Now use the search at the top and type Microsoft Store. If you see any process, right-click on it and click in Task. Now try opening Microsoft Store again. If it still does not open, here is the main fix. Open Settings from the Start menu. Now go to Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Search for Microsoft Store. Click on the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Terminate. After that, click on Repair and wait for it to complete. If it still does not work, click on Reset and confirm it. Now go back and try opening Microsoft Store again. It should now open without any problem. So this is how you can fix Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro. Hello everyone.